Take a small pan and the strainer for the kitchen sink. This is rock wool. Denatured alcohol fuel. Before you lit the fire, make sure you take this one and use this. It's a clean flame, clean fuel. On the previous video you saw I used isopropyl alcohol. You were able to see the flame, but this is denatured alcohol. It's a clean fuel. It's very hard to see the flame, but it's still burning. Do not refuel while it's burning. It's dangerous. It's almost done, but you can see the ember. So in this stage you should not refuel. You have to wait, it's completely stopped burning. Now it's completely stopped. Yeah, I don't see any ember. This is so cool. Take this one and test another one. If you don't have an alcohol stove, take a small pan and the strainer for the kitchen sink and the piece of rock wool. Put it inside. With this one, see this? Put this. Pour a little bit alcohol. Yeah, it's burning. You can see, right? It's burning slightly because it's clean fuel. So put this one on the top. That's it. Now you can see the flame. See, it's slightly moving. You can cook anything. I prefer rock wool to use for my alcohol stove because it prevents accidental spill and guard fire. It is very easy and safer to use. Still burning. That's it. You have a camp stove.